Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated ironing boards. Ironing appears to be the nation's least favorite household chore. Surprising, we know. So you'll need the best ironing board to make it as painless as possible. If yours isn't up to par, no matter how fast your iron is, you could end up with a pile of improperly pressed pieces that have taken you a long time to finish. We think you'll agree that this isn't the best way to spend an evening. Choosing an ironing board isn't as easy as you would believe. They are available in a wide range of sizes, forms, and heights. To help you out, we have compiled a list of the top rating ironing boards available in the market today. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the ironing boards that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first ironing board on our list is the Homz 4-leg heavy-duty ironing board. This ironing board has a large ironing surface and uniformly distributes heat and steam on fabrics, effectively eliminating wrinkles. It boasts a silky cotton cover with a polyurethane foam pad that allows your iron to glide over your clothes, leaving them wrinkle-free. For the size, it measures 53.75 by 14.5 by 38.38 inches and weighs 13.2 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Homz 4-leg heavy-duty ironing board a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 4 sturdy, durable, and reliable steel metal legs. It includes 4 sturdy, durable, and reliable steel metal legs that give stability and prevent wobbling when the board is in use. 35% thick metal legs. The ironing board's thick metal legs include 35% more steel than the average ironing board. Patented leg lock system. The ironing table includes a patented leg lock system that allows it to fold down safely and securely for easy transport and storage. Cleaning instructions. It includes instructions for cleaning the ironing board cover. Simply wipe down the cover with a moist, soft cotton cloth and let it air dry. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is: the ironing board cover is not machine washable. The second ironing board on our list is the Bartnelli Pro Luxury Ironing Board. Unlike low-cost ironing boards, this ironing board is developed and manufactured in accordance to European standards. It is made of extremely thick 100% cotton and is supported by foam, making it ideal for withstanding heat and preventing clothing from sticking. It also has a hanging rack that will save your clothes from wrinkling while waiting to be placed in the closet. For its size, it measures 64.5 by 20 by 3.2 inches and weighs 21.6 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Bartnelli Pro Luxury Ironing Board a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: metal mesh top. The metal mesh top allows steam to pass through and evaporate. Multi-layer cover. It includes a multi-layer cover that makes your ironing surface thicker and helps your board stay longer and look cleaner by preventing any screws or bolts from poking through your garments. Adjustable. This ironing board is designed to be adjustable, allowing users to lower and raise it to 4 various heights as needed. Highest quality metal. Its anti-corrosion properties are ensured by the use of the finest materials available. Protective feet. The ironing board comes with protective feet to keep your flooring from getting scratched while you're ironing. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is: it is quite heavy. The third ironing board on our list is the Homz T-Leg Ironing Board. The Homz T-Leg Ironing Board is an important tool for keeping all your items freshly pressed and ironed, making laundry day a breeze. It has a perforated steel top that reflects the heat back to the clothing for a faster ironing process and enough surface, which measures 53 inches long and 13 inches wide for all sizes of garments. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Homz T-Leg Ironing Board a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: smooth 100% cotton cover and foam pad. The smooth 100% cotton cover and foam pad provides a comfortable and convenient ironing surface for crisp and wrinkle-free dress shirts, trousers, bed sheets, and tablecloths. Adjustable and foldable. This foldable ironing board adjusts to any height up to 35 inches tall and folds flat to save space in your apartment, dorm room, laundry room, living room, or closet. Sturdy and durable metal T-leg. It features a sturdy and durable metal T-leg for added stability. Patented leg lock system. The ironing board has a patented leg lock system for easy transport and storage. Metal top made of quality American steel. It has a metal top made of high-quality American steel, which not only improves ironing performance but also makes ironing safer. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it is shorter than the usual ironing board. The fourth ironing board on our list is the Minky Homecare Ergo ironing board. The Minky Homecare Ergo ironing board is created with comfort, speed, and efficiency in mind. Its unique design eliminates the tension and strain of ironing by allowing you to sit in a more natural position. For its size, it measures 57.7 by 17.7 by 37 inches and weighs 11.9 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Minky Homecare Ergo ironing board a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: Ergo Rest. It has an ergo rest that is uniquely built to match natural arm movement and reduce unnecessary arm and shoulder strain. It can be used by either left or right-handed people. Heat reflective metallic coating. The heat reflective metallic coating on the 100% cotton Pro Zone covers helps to remove creases and speeds up ironing process. Flex Guide. This ironing board features a flex guide that keeps the iron cord from tangling and snagging while also allowing you to clip it on to your preferred position on the board. Robust 4-legged design with a contemporary gunmetal finish. It boasts a robust 4-legged design with a contemporary gunmetal finish that ensures strength and stability when in use. Universal height mechanism. The Ergo board's universal height mechanism allows it to be adjusted to your optimum working height of up to 37 inches. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is there is no lock to keep it closed. The fifth ironing board on our list is the Ivation wall-mounted ironing board. This fold-away ironing board station folds up and down to save room while remaining flush with the wall for an attractive design. It comes with easy-to-follow installation instructions and simply mounting hardware. For the size, it measures 40.71 by 15.12 by 2.05 inches and weighs 8.48 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Ivation wall-mounted ironing board a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: machine washable. It is safe to clean in the washing machine and dryer and it'll last for years. Removable cotton slip. This iron board includes a removable cotton slip that allows for easy ironing and prevents pigment transfer. Unique pad design. It has a unique pad design that allows heat to disperse quickly, allowing wrinkles to be released faster. High-quality anchors, fasteners, and perforated steel frame. The iron board features high-quality anchors, fasteners, and a perforated steel frame supporting up to 25 pounds. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it needs a support block between the wall and support bracket so that it will not bend. The sixth ironing board on our list is the Honey Can Do Door Hanging Ironing Board. This iron board easily attaches to the back of any door, folds up or down when steaming, and ensures that your room is never on the worst dressed list. Non-fashionistas looking for ironing board storage will appreciate how well this space-saving design fits into apartments, offices, and kitchens, so you'll never have to cook without a nice pair of pants. For its size, it measures 47 by 17 by 50 inches and weighs 7.45 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Honey Can Do Door Hanging Ironing Board a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: foldable. It effortlessly attaches on the back of any standard door, folds open or closed, and locks in place when not in use. Lightweight. The iron board is lightweight, so it's easy to move from door to door if you want to change it up. Easy to install. This over-the-door board is all about convenience. When it arrives, you'll be surprised by how easy it is to install. Then opening and closing it, also a breeze. You can use this for large loads of laundry or just one garment here and there. It includes a 7mm foam pad and a 100% cotton ironing board cover. 2 hooks. 2 hooks will handle doors up to 2 inches thick. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it is quite big, so you might need to allot a considerable amount of space in your storage area. The 7th ironing board on our list is the Household Essentials Tabletop Ironing Board. The pressed wood surfaces on this iron board are ideal for quick pressing. These surfaces are also durable, light, and portable, so you can bring your ironing board wherever you need it. As for the size, it measures 36.63 by 14 by 3.5 inches and weighs 2.99 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Household Essentials Tabletop Ironing Board a 3-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: distinctive swivel hook. It has a distinctive swivel hook that allows you to hang it almost anywhere: over the door, on the closet rod, or on the coat rack. Blue silicone replacement cover. This iron board features a blue silicone replacement cover that fits when the cover and pad need to be replaced. Steel mesh. The steel mesh allows the seam to pass through the garment and board for effective wrinkle removal. Steel legs. You can iron smoothly with the steel legs that fold away for storage. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the padding is quite thin. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated ironing boards which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next ironing board roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at TheTrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.